boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Maitre GIMS here again on this channel, and if you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We have a playlist with him, and there are many songs to choose from. This time we have a new song, CIEL. It's called that, and I think that translates into sky. I'm not sure, but I believe so. So let's go into the skies here with GIMS, and we're gonna use 3 chords only, no need for any capo. So let's right into the chords. We have A minor first, and that goes open A, second E, second G, first B, and open E. We have G next. That goes third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the final chord is D minor. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Okay, so that's the chord progression, A minor to G to D minor. Now we look into the strumming, and we have 2 parts of it. So I'm gonna start with A minor, that's the first chord. And look at the first part, which will be down, up, clap, down. So that's the first part. Down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. And then part 2 will be down, clap, down. And if you combine these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, down, clap, down, like this. And a couple rounds. So the chord progression will be A minor, 1 full round, that means part 1 and part 2, then G, part 1, and D minor, part 2. So G will be down, up, clap, down, and then shift to D minor and play down, clap, down. And then you start all over again with A minor. So slowly like this. For 1 round, a couple rounds. Alright, so this goes pretty fast. So some technical stuff here. From G to D minor, I keep that 3rd fret on the D string glued there. So I have that as a reference, and then I just go into this transition here, alright? I think that is easier than just release everything and just try to get the chord. You can do that as well if you are a little more than just a beginner, but I think if you're a beginner, try to do this, keep that there, and then do this, alright? So that's just one technical tip there to follow if you want to, and start to strum slowly and then gradually speed up, because this goes pretty fast, so I'm aware of that. Start slowly and work your way up. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoy GIMS with the song Sky, in English of course. Let's go further on together. So if you haven't subscribed yet to this channel here, then make sure you do that. Hope you do that, and until next time, play tuned.